All right, number two now. Number two, I'm given the three sides, so I need to find the three angles. I have to find angle B, angle A, angle B, and angle C. Again, I'm using law of cosines to do this. So if I'm going to find angle A, I'm going to use the bottom formula. If I'm going to find angle B, I'm going to use this formula. If I'm going to find angle C, I'm going to use the top formula. So it doesn't matter which one we pick first. We're going to use law of cosines twice, because then once I have two angles, I know the sum is 180. So let's use the bottom formula. Let's get angle A. So again, if I solve for cosine of A, the cosine of A is equal to A squared minus B squared minus C squared divided by negative 2BC. So let's plug in my A, B, and C here. Cosine A is equal to 4 squared minus 5 squared minus 3 squared all over negative 2 times 5 times 3. So I'm going to plug that whole thing into my calculator. So 4 squared minus 5 squared minus 3 squared divided by negative 2 times 5 times 3. So that's going to give me 0.6. So the cosine of A is 0.6. So I'm going to do inverse cosine now to get the angle. The inverse cosine is going to give me 53 degrees. So angle A is 53 degrees. So now I'm going to do the same thing for B. So I'm going to use this formula here. So I know that the cosine of B, so I'm going to solve for cosine B. So cosine B is going to be B squared minus A squared minus C squared divided by negative 2AC. So cosine B is going to be equal to 5 squared minus 4 squared minus 3 squared divided by negative 2 times 4 times 3. So the cosine of B, let's plug this into the calculator. When I do that, I get 0. So the cosine of B is equal to 0. Well, if the cosine of B is 0, and I do inverse cosine, now we shouldn't even have to use the calculator for this. So the inverse cosine of 0, we should know, is 90 degrees. So angle B is 90 degrees. And we should know that where's the cosine 0? The cosine is 0 at 90 degrees, or pi over 2. But now that we know that we have angle A and angle B, we can get angle C. 90 minus 53 is 37. So angle C is 37. All right, and that's the law of cosines. Again, let me know if you have any questions, fellas and girls. And reach out to me if you have any issues. Thank you.